started to realize that something was going on about 2 years ago. Hi, my name is Dan and I'm from Edison, New Jersey. I began to have chest pains, mostly when I was exercising, but also at random points during the day. It started to get really bad about a year ago. I started to have the symptoms almost on a daily basis. Basically, almost any time I was breathing, I could end up all of a sudden starting to have a chest pain, or even have like a heart palpitation that would more or less bring me to my knees. After this started to get more and more regular, I decided I'd see a doctor about it. And after the doctor listened to my heart and I had an ultrasound of my heart, it was determined that I did in fact have a heart murmur. There's certain valves in my heart that were letting excess amounts of blood into the heart in between heartbeats. So it would feel as if a beat was skipping, and then all of a sudden the next beat, because there was extra blood in there, was really pushing my heart, and it was pumping out so much that it almost felt like the wind was being knocked out of me. After seeing the doctor and learning about this, I decided to make an effort to live a healthier lifestyle, and I still have a heart murmur. It's something that I don't believe will ever go away, but I'm living with it and I'm fine.